bitches about losing their 10mm socket. I've managed to lose all 5 fucking lug nuts and the key. They're gone. The shit's gone. I have no fucking idea. They're not in the back. That's where I put all the tools when I got done. That should be where I put them. I've cleaned the garage and the side, the storage room. I've cleaned the rest of the house. I have no idea. They're gone. I mean, I usually bolt them, you know, stick them back on so I don't lose them. But I figured I put them with all my other tools back here. This is where they should be. But they're sure as shit not in here. I mean, I've been looking for these things for like 2 weeks. What the fuck? So, I say, if you're only missing your 10mm socket, you're an amateur. Because this shit's been on my quick list for 2 weeks. I have no idea. Just gone. No idea. So another thing is these trucks came with a remote oil filter and they always leak. It made it really easy to get to, but when you do the delete, the filter sits right on the engine block like most of your other cars and stuff. But let me show you where it is. It's down there. Yeah, so let's go underneath and I'll show you another reason these trucks are a royal pain in the fucking ass. Okay, so there it is. Right there. Right there. But look what you gotta go through to change it. I mean, you know, you can't really get a grip on it here. And I mean, look at my arm, the position that I'm in. I mean, I can't get any torque on that. So I've got my filter wrench and I'm gonna see if I can get it off with that thing. Hopefully it comes right off. I'll be back. So there's the filter right there. This is from the driver's side wheel well. So I guess the driver's side wheel's got to come off to try to access it. Right. What a pain in the fucking ass. So I tried to get to the filter from the bottom, and that's kind of a no-go. Now granted, this oil filter wrench is pretty big, but I don't know if you'll be able to see what I'm doing here. Trying to do, I should say. Not having a lot of luck with it. Label is the filter itself, and that's how I'm trying to get it. I don't know if it's going to work or not. We'll see. So this stupid ass wrench, every time I fish it in there in a small setting, I open it up and it pops open like that. And I'm trying to keep it like this, and when I squeeze it, it jumps. So there's that I'm contending with. Pain in the ass. Can't see what the hell I'm doing with two hands in there. I can't reach it from underneath too good. See, it keeps jumping settings on me, so I can't grip the damn thing. What a royal pain in the fucking ass. What a royal pain in the fucking ass. You piece of shit. You're a piece of shit. Maybe if I talk enough shit to it, it'll fall off. Whoever designed this is a sick fuck. I mean, it won't goddamn grip it. It won't goddamn grip it. This is some bullshit. So yeah, it's gonna be like another hour or two of me cursing until I get fed up and start throwing all my wrenches down in the ravine down there and put the wheel on and push it down there with it. Alright, well, we might be back, we might not, we'll see. The difference in the stock filter size, which would be this, versus the size you're going to need to go filter on the block. So you can see the size difference. That's the only way it's going to clear that front prop shaft. Make sure that if you're doing this change and you have the filter on block, that you get the right one. It's 51040. Okay guys, so between the front prop shaft and the filter, it's maybe like an inch. I've dented this one because I was hitting it with a screwdriver and a hammer trying to loosen it up from underneath. But I mean, you can see even with those huge dents, there's not enough clearance. I'll show you when I get the new one in there. But yeah, I made a little bit of a mess under here. Not a big deal, cleaned it up. I've already put some oil in here, lubed up the seal. So now let's get this one. This one, I just left it up there loose so I could get it down easy. Slides right out. And there's your little adapter piece to mount the filter directly to the block. It Loctites in. And it removes all that remote crap that always leaks like hell from the factory. The trade-off is it's a bitch to get it up in there. And I didn't think I was going to be able to get it loose from the bottom or the side. And you definitely can't get it loose from the bottom. I mean, you don't get any grip. You can see I can barely turn it just to tighten it in there from under here. It's a little tricky at first. Once it catches, it goes. go. Just go easy at first. You'll get it. You'll feel it. I'm gonna try to cinch it down pretty good. Let me switch hands. I'm gonna go GoPro dirty. I'll be back. There it is, the new filter from the wheel well. And I already washed the inside of that wheel where the caliper was preventing me from getting in there with my hand. So it'll be nice and clean when I put it back on. And I'm just gonna put some oil on this thing, get my funnel set up, and then that'll be done. And then I gotta try and get this truck flatbedded over to the shop so we can do some electrical diode and see if we can find why it's not starting.